Started.
Hillbilly Pyro here, and we're going to go through some things I just got in today. I got a second order. These are Dominator shooter shells. These were cheap, economical shell bags, right? They come with a dozen little shells in each one. There's 18 per case. If you don't have enough mortars with that, then you know you don't need fireworks. This pushes me over 1,000 shells. Yes, 1,000 shells. I'm gonna have to spend a week making racks. Alright, I had to start over because we had a lens error. But I also have a case of Bitchin Camaro 500 grammers. Lots of videos on this. For the price, pretty good deal. Like 60 bucks for 400 or 500 grams. That's the price I used to pay retail for one. So unlike Phantom, it's a true buy one, get three free. And I don't know if you guys know or not, but I think Phantom sucks. If you go there, you're wasting your money. Alright, this is a case of Diamond Mine. These cakes for a 200 gram are awesome. Of course, 24 of anything just about is awesome. No, I think this only has a dozen, but wait, still. Pretty sweet. Alright, this is Monkey replaced by Maddox, and I tell you what, this box weighs enough to give you a hurt. It's the only time a heavy box is a good thing. I hope these fireworks are like the ones I got out of Florida because they are loaded. These come from Michigan, whatever that's around that area. Alright, this is Monkey Wrench, 200 gram, 24 little cakes. This cake will surprise you big time. I think it's Pyro Nation has a nice demo video of this if you want to check it out, that's already out. Shout out to him and old Barbecue Rando. Rock and roll, yeah. Pallady Tower Fireworks. Great blitz. Well, now if anybody has been paying attention to the channel, they know the purple and the blue. This is about, and this is purple you can get. Nice big hive shape. Yeah. Great blitz. Cake. Awesome. I wonder what color it is. I don't know. We'll have to find out. Sweet cake. Alright, and then I got some random things, you know, like some whistling moon travelers, not whistling bunghole. I got some scooter D's with without the scooter stick. Doesn't matter. Either way they're good. But that's all I've got for you guys today. This is Hillbilly Pyro.